My name is Parker Kelsey. I'm 10 years old and I live in Scituate, Massachusetts. I think bees are so important because we wouldn't have this beautiful, delicious honey or cucumbers that we can eat. These beautiful cucumbers that we can eat. So this is my bee habitat. I made it using a can for a school project with all my classes. Me and my mom came in with all these spray painted yellow cans, and everyone would take a folded up piece of paper and glue them or tape them, and then they'd be like the parts where bees would live in and make their honey. I recommend if you want bees to be attracted to it, use bright colors. Use very bright colors. That way the bees will come attracted, because bees are attracted to very bright colors. So this is my garden, and well, thanks to the bees though, our pumpkins are staying alive, and hopefully we'll have some nice jack-o'-lanterns ready for the Halloween. And thank you all so much for tuning in. If you want to stay tuned, and if you want to see more, go to urbanbeelab.org and see some more. Oops, we got a storm rolling in. Let's go bees.